Hello guys, welcome to episode 2. I'm gonna be building the all-terrain vehicle for episode 2 this time. So let's open it. There we go. Oh, never mind. I don't know why these need to be so sticky. Wait, I'll get my scissors. Guys, I can't find my scissors. It's for episode 3. Then the packaging it's so stretchy. You guys, I think this is latex. Yeah, this is latex. How can I open this, bro? This is so hard to open. No, I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Yeah! Finally, I opened it. This thing was from episode 1. It's not yet uploaded, but in 2 hours. Oh, never mind. Don't mind the in 2 hours words. But it's gonna be uploaded soon if it's not yet uploaded now. I'll just put that there. All-terrain vehicle. Instructions. So, just like last time, 13 pages. Okay, here we are. And yeah, just like always, we do a shortcut in A13. In the wheels. Turns out the wheels is in A13. Let's do the wheels first, guys, because we don't even need to separate it and they need to separate it. Like, what the? Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is the packaging with the rolling pieces. I really hate them. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so unique. Oh my gosh, guys. It literally stick onto it while it was in the packaging. So just remove that. That's so rare. Okay, so let's start. Put the wheels on first. Oh, it's the same wheels as this one. Never mind. I'm not gonna put this in first. What the? Oh. Oh my gosh, I got this again. Bye bye. Bro doesn't even exist in, you know. I need some space for building. There we go. I also need these. I'm gonna use it all up because that's in the instructions. You should damn wheel blocks all up. Just kidding, it's not that. They just said times for there. Times for this picture. Okay. I'm gonna make like this. It's a 4x6. So let's get the wheels from this view. Just kidding, just kidding. There's one day maybe it might be a special episode. One day. I don't know when I'm gonna make it. If I'm already 12 years old, 30. When I want to do it. I'm gonna call it the special episode. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna make a playlist out of it. Oh, never mind. I don't know how to share playlists yet. But it's not gonna be an episode 8 or special episode anymore. I regret saying that. That it will be an episode. A2 times no. A2 was the least. All of it needs to be times 1. Oh my gosh, this 3 got stacked up in the packaging. That is so rare. And kind of annoying because I thought it was a unique piece. Okay, there we go. Oh no! Moving to A3, we need to get this flat thingy. Oh my gosh, we need 6 of these. 1, 2, I think we're gonna use it all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna insert this 6 times. I know it. I knew it, guys. And I didn't even see it. I hate that music. Oh, I understand it now. At first I didn't understand it, but it says... Nah, I'm not gonna say it, guys. It's political. So I can't actually say it. 1. This is the first time I understand it. But it is walang iba. If you don't know what walang iba means, I mean, this is a Filipino word. If you're a foreigner, walang iba means nothing else. Even though that candidate is also I don't know how to say that word. Even though that candidate is, how do I say this? Competing with another candidate in mayor. But I'm not gonna say the name. I'm not gonna say the damn name. go. We have 6 now. There we go. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn, guys. Oh no! A piece fell off. But we could just put that in. Oh my gosh, this has 97 pieces. And I'm still at A3. Oh my gosh. Pow. What the? Phew. Yo guys, look at this. This is so unique. You could play Tetris with this. This is what I'm talking about. Lehe! Just kidding. Just kidding, that's not allowed in Tetris. Just kidding. I'm just starting it. Damn, I'm already in 20 minutes, but I'm still at A4. Yo, no. At least I love Lego. Episode 3 is gonna be easy. A5, 1. I'm not yet done in A4 pa. I didn't realize I wasn't done yet with A4. Oh my gosh, guys, look how this is so cool. Look at that, guys. It's almost like what do you call this? A classic car from the 19th century. Can you see that? See? Classic police car, bro. Why am I even separating them? And can somebody explain why this is here? Oh yeah, nice design, just kidding. Just stay there with the group. I don't want you to feel adopted. Psych! I forgot what A am I on. Oh. A5. Finally at A6. That's weird. Guys, have you watched the City Adventures from Lego? I bet not. But it's in Netflix if you want to watch it. It's called City Adventures. And the opening, the tones like and it sounds like Go Go Power Rangers. Only the start, okay? The first second. But they skip the intro. Like it's a waste of time. Why do I even need to watch that? I want to watch the actual movie. Actually, the actual episode. It's so annoying. Sorry from the snorts. Ne 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 ne. Guys, don't mind that. Okay. Guys, look at this. Yo. Okay, there. We just put it here. And then put it here. And then Nico avocado comes here. Yo guys, I'm a big fan of Nico Avocado. I wish I could watch his private videos, but I don't have that app. And he lost some weight. Nice. I love that news. Sigh. Just kidding. A7. Building Legos kinda hard. Not gonna lie, because the positions, bro. But I still love Lego. I don't care if it's hard. Yo, na 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 na. Guys, I'm literally looking at A8 right now because I'm kind of getting confused in the positions. And I could just copy it from A8 because it's there already. No. Guys, we have a duo. Just kidding. Put it back. Just put it back. I'm an eraser of the what? You guys, believe it or not, this thing is actually the back. Yeah, this thing's actually the back, believe it or not. Let's go, guys. I'm finally making some progress. What the? What? How? Oh! No, no, no. When I mention summer, when I mention summer, when I mention summer, when I mention summer, when I mention summer. One time, guys, when I was eating barbecue with rice, I heard the original sound of when I mention summer. I laughed so hard. When I mention end summer. When I mention end summer. Just kidding. Apathy. I hate apathy. You guys look. That's supposed to be the interior right there. Where you put your minifig. Wait, I'll go get a minifig. Actually not all of them. Huh? Guys, wait a minute. Okay guys, sorry for that. So here are my minifigs. I'll just put this ball, guys, the smallest. wait, they can't fit. Guys, the vehicles are turning out good. This will be the parking lot soon. And let's put that minifigs. Let's put the minifigs aside for a while. Why do we even need stickers? Get out. Oh, baby. So I'm at A9. A9's the best. I think one metal bar. Guys, that's literally a metal bar for a minifig. But this is just a random stick for people. Like it's actually a metal bar for a minifig. I'm gonna kill you, bro. I'm gonna kill you, bro. I'm gonna kill you, bro. Okay. There we go. And I know what I'm gonna do. Put these in the two corners. Oh nah, I hate using the claw blocks because they sometimes get loose. Guys, I forgot something. This red. That red one. You guys, my first time getting studs. Yes! First time getting transparent studs, bro. Yellow. First yellow transparent studs. Congratulations to me. See? You believe it now? This is the back. When I mentioned... Then I mentioned... Damn, Aiton's also good. Nah, bro. Huh? Isa pa yung kukulis.
Isa lang. Ano? Ilan na?
One.
Pangalawa na yan. Di ba ka isa-isa lang per day sinabihan ka na?
Oh, ngayon.
Sabi ko naman sa isi.
Guys, don't mind that. Just don't mind that, please.
Cellphone ko yan. Cellphone.
Guys, don't mind that. Please.
Kapon pa yan eh. Isa na yan.
Mami,
nalagay ko
pa dati, oh.
Nakapon pa yan. Eh, isa pa lang yun.
Don't mind that, please. is a conversation that you don't need to mind. I thought the video was the instructions. So guys, yeah, there. Both sides. Cool. So here, I'm at A11. Finally, we're gonna use this piece.
Ginagaya.
I'm just building something pa.
Galing mo magagaya mo yung ganyan style. Mabubuo mo.
And there guys, I'm almost done. Oh there, finally we need to use this. Guys, we're almost done. We're at 8:12.
Paglaki mo, gumawa ka ng ganyang sasakyan.
Yeah, my grandma's telling me to be an engineer. Just because of Lego.
Because of Tigo, bili ka ng mga bakal-bakal. And then yung kabit-kabit. Mayroon kaming ganyan na kapitbahay. Ang dami siyang sasakyan na. Bus. Mayaman na nga eh. Nakalabing 5 sasakyan na.
Just telling about her neighbor.
Victory Liner ang pangalan. Bumibili ng mga lumang sasakyan. I-repair niya. Kaya ang daming sasakyan nga.
Damn.
Wala naman pinag-aralan na. High school lang.
There we go, guys.
Yan ang pinag-aralan
We're
niya.
almost done. And yeah, we're getting close to an extra piece. Finally, guys. Finally, I'm almost done. Finally. Just need to put these in. Oh no. The car pop. Am I done? Oh yeah, I am completely done. And I'm just gonna put this made in China piece. I don't know why I want to put that. Just kidding, I don't want to. And guys, here's our all-terrain vehicle. We have 2 vehicles now. I don't know what this is for. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I realized that this is a lot smaller than this one.
Nakalaki.
So bye guys.